These are the minute two screws which he has opted first. He is an expert from Guwahati. So yeah, these are the minute two screws which he has opted first. He is an expert from Guwahati. So yeah,
हमारे पास हम अगर हमसे ले लेते तो हम भी जरूर ले लेता ना। हम उसको लेके क्या करेंगे? नहीं होगा सब खराब निकलता है। निकलता नहीं
this is the most critical part. Phone is into two parts now. वो चिपक जाला एकदम। So this is the battery. In fact, I asked in Bangalore how much they will charge to change the battery. Somebody told me 3,000 and somebody told me 4,000. But this gentleman is helping me to change it for 200 bucks. And this battery I purchased, same battery you can see inside the iPhone. Can you just pick it up a little bit? Same battery, I got it. In fact, it's again from China.